Students, today I'm going to tell you about chapter number 2, that is GUI. GUI means Graphical User Interface Operating System Desktop Management. So come to page number 14. Children, in the previous class you were introduced with Windows 7 and the various operations, various tasks that were performed that can perform on the desktop of Windows 7. Now let us revise the Windows 7 is graphical user interface. Now what is graphical user interface? Graphical user interface operating system that has a graphical environment. Graphical environment means that has icons consisting of various buttons and icons. What is an operating system? An operating system is an interface between the hardware and the user. Interface means it is a link between the hardware and the user. It makes our PC means computer, alive and help us to run different applications, different programs. It coordinates and manages the activities of a computer, just like the principal of a school manages all the activities running in a school. So it coordinates and manages means it coordinates all the activities of the computer system, all the hardware and software of the computer. In this chapter we are going to explore, we are going to search, we are going to explain more features of Windows 7. Features of Windows 7. The first GUI version of Windows operating system was Windows 95. Since then, many versions of Windows have been released. The most popular version of Windows are Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, that is Windows Millennium, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Given below are the features of Windows 7 which have made it very popular. First one is attractive, interactive and easy to use. Now what does it mean? Windows 7 has a very attractive appearance with colorful themes. Theme means with colorful backgrounds. The use of graphics makes it very interactive. Interactive means you can simply by clicking on the icon get to know what the icon means or what is contained in the icon. It works the way we want and makes new things possible. Means it listens to our orders, it follow our instructions and give the desired output. Next is searching made easier. Using Windows 7 we can quickly search any file or folder in our computer. So Windows 7 is easily we can search any topic related to any subject in it. Next is flexible taskbar. The taskbar of Windows 7 is more flexible and application oriented unlike the previous versions of Windows. We can pin our favorite programs on the taskbar. Pin means put our favorite programs on the taskbar for easy access. Next is Windows supports multitasking. Windows 7 can effectively perform more than one task at a time. Performing more than one task at a time is called multitasking. For example, we can type letters in MS Word software while enjoying music using the Windows Media Player. This is called multitasking. Next one is jump list. This is a new feature that makes you straight to the documents, pictures and songs or website you have recently visited. For example, the jump list for Internet Explorer shows the recently opened websites. To open a jump list, right click on a program button on the Windows 7 taskbar. Next one is cascading windows. This option is displayed when you right click on the taskbar. The cascading windows option arranges all the open windows from the top left corner of the screen to the bottom of the right in layers. Now I will show